is this really the end of video tutorials? Have you ever used Google AI Studio? So let's find out by doing some real world tasks using Google AI Studio. Okay. So first of all, you just need to open this link, aistudioGoogle.com/live. So after that, you just open the stream real time. We are just sharing the screen again. Okay. Hello, how are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about
Okay,
you?
okay. I'm just sharing my screen. When you have my screen, just let me know.
Okay, I understand. Please let me know when you are ready.
Okay, do you have my screen now?
Yes, I can see your screen now. It looks like you're on the Google
Okay,
AI.
okay. So let's just use a first demo. Just try the first real
Sounds good.
time. Just try the first real world use case using Google AI Studio. So can you just help me to generate the YouTube thumbnail using Leonardo.ai?
Okay, it sounds like you want to use the first demo and generate a YouTube thumbnail using Leonardo AI. Is that right?
Yes, I just want to use the Leonardo.ai for generating the YouTube thumbnail.
Okay, I understand. I can see that you have Leonardo AI open on your screen. Do you have a specific prompt in mind, or would you like me to
Yes,
suggest one?
yes, I have already copied the prompt from the OpenAI. You only just let me know how I can just create the YouTube thumbnail using Leonardo.ai.
Okay, so you have the prompt copied from OpenAI and want to use it in Leonardo AI to generate a YouTube thumbnail. Is that correct?
Yes, can you please guide me?
Yes, I can help with that. To start, could you please tell me where in the Leonardo AI interface I should paste the prompt?
Can you just guide me how I can just create YouTube thumbnail?
Okay, I see that you're on the Leonardo AI homepage. In the left sidebar, under AI Tools, can you locate and click Image Generation?
Okay, that's the image creation at here. Okay, so that's already the prompts.
Great. It looks like you've already pasted the prompt into the image generation prompt box. Now, to create your thumbnail, simply click on the
Okay,
Generate button.
okay, so that's great. So I think that is generating the YouTube thumbnail, right?
Yes, it looks like Leonardo AI is generating the YouTube thumbnail. You should see the results appear below the Generate button shortly.
Okay, so I think they have generated the thumbnails. You are seeing that?
Yes, I can see that the thumbnails have been generated. They look
Okay,
great.
okay,
Is there
great. Okay, just let's move on to
great?
the
Is there anything else?
let's move to the next use case. I just want to clone the GitHub repository into my local repository. I have already installed the Git bash. How I can do this?
Okay, so you want to clone the GitHub repository into your local repository and you have Git bash installed. To clone the repository, you'll first need the repository URL. Do you have that URL available?
I have just opened the GitHub repository. You can see it here.
Okay, I see the GitHub repository on your screen.
Okay.
Now to get the
Can you please just tell me how I can just copy the URL?
Okay, to copy the URL of the repository, you can click on the green code button and a drop-down will appear with the URL that you can
Okay,
copy.
great. I have just copied this. Okay, I just want to copy this repository into the AI Studio folder. How I can do this?
Okay, I see. You want to clone the repository into your local AI Studio folder. Now that you've copied the URL from GitHub, you need to open Git bash. Can you do
Okay.
that?
How I can open the Git page? Can you please guide me?
Okay, to open Git bash, you can right-click within the AI Studio folder and select Git bash here.
Okay,
This will
great,
open a
great, great, great. I have just opened it. Okay, what I need to do next?
Okay, now that it's open, you'll want to use the git clone command followed by the URL you copied from GitHub.
Okay,
So in
git
git bash,
clone. I just paste the command which I have just copied. So I just need to press enter at here. I think Google Studio has been stopped accidentally. So I have just pressed the enter, and as you can see, that has been cloned successfully. So okay, let's reconnect the Google live stream again, and just share a screen directly. And I'm just sharing my entire screen at here, and let's discuss the new use case for generating
Hello.
the OpenAI key.
Hello, I have just opened the platform.openai.com. Can you just help me to generate the API keys? How I can generate the API keys at here?
Sure, I can help with that. In the left-hand navigation menu, click on API keys, then create new
Okay,
secret key.
okay. And
Now,
after that, I just need to click at here. Okay, great. Thank you very
yes, you
much.
should click on the.
Okay, so that's great.
You're welcome. Let me know if
Okay.
glad I could assist. Do you have any other questions?
No, thank you very much. Bye.
Okay, goodbye. Have a great day.
So these are the use cases of the Google AI Studio. You will see how it will help in the real world. So that's all then. So if you have any question, just leave a comment. I will surely reply to you. Thank you very much. Bye.